Today we are teaching you how to make a snack, and it is the delicious
Easy Parmesan crisps.
Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
And we are teaching you how to make a snack today. So if you are a college student who needs something delicious to eat at all times of the day or night, this is the thing for you. Or if you're on keto, or if you're gluten-free, or if you like low carb snacks, this is it. And it is literally the easiest thing you will ever make. And Robin's never made them, so she doesn't even know how.
I don't even know how.
This is all new for her. I've made them several times and they always turn out delicious.
Yay!
Yay!
The recipe is down in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out down there. And make sure and subscribe while you're down there because it really helps us out when you do. So
thanks so much. We're so glad that you're here. Okay, let's get started on these Parmesan cheese crisps. First, you're going to get your pan and you're going to put either a piece of parchment or you're going to use one of those silicone mats. We're going to use both today just so I can show you
are prepared.
That we like to do things the weird way is what we're showing you basically.
No, we're doing things the cool way and the prepared way and the extra careful way.
That's correct. Thank you for pointing that out, Robin. You want to make sure that you have shredded Parmesan cheese. Make sure it's shredded and not grated because the grated will work, it just won't work as good. So make sure it's shredded Parmesan cheese. Or you could buy a block of Parmesan and shred it yourself, which would be super fun. It would just take a little more time.
Would it be fun?
Why not? You could get one of those cheese graters and do this.
Or you could just not do any work and just buy it pre-shredded.
Like we did, which makes things real easy. So what you're going to do is take a spoonful of the Parmesan cheese and set it on top of your parchment paper in a big pile. All right, we've got our cheese crisps ready to go in the oven. You're gonna bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375. Check them. You can make them as crispy or not as crispy as you want. It's kind of up to you. So
You do you.
That's right.
You find your level of crispiness.
And there you go. Let's pop these in.
They're all done.
Yay! Look how yummy they look.
Yummy.
They're delicate and light and perfectly round. They smell like
Perfectly round. They smell like cheese.
They smell like cooked cheese, which smells really good. So I'm excited. Are you ready to taste?
Yes.
Okay, put the plate down. You don't have to hold it. Thank you for serving me, though. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Let's eat. Mmm. Mmm.
Tastes cheesy.
Mmm. That really gets me excited. I really like cooked cheese. Or just not cooked cheese. Any kind of cheese really will do the trick for me.
It really strengthens the flavor.
It does. It brings out that Parmesan flavor.
It's so strong. I've never tasted Parmesan this strong before.
It's delicious. So you want a very quick, easy snack. Like I said, for college students, for moms on the go, for keto, for gluten-free, for low carb. This is the snack for you.
Let's try and catch it in my mouth.
Try again. You almost
I've
had
done it.
Also, you cut it on your arm, so that's a pretty good trick.
All right, everyone get ready.
Okay, do it. Yes! She did it! Woo! High fives.
I'm so cool. Tell us in the comments down below what your favorite kind of cheese is.
Yes.
What's yours?
Oh my gosh. I was going to ask you the same thing.
Read our minds.
Oh man. Well, I would have to say my favorite is blue cheese, but made into like this fondue sauce. It's so good. And then you dip things in it like French fries or other
broccoli?
things. Sure, why not? Why
like
not some broccoli? What's yours? There's so many choices.
I would say rosemary and olive oil Asiago. and I get it at the store, and I just eat it
She'll
by the
eat,
block.
yeah, she'll
It's
literally
so good.
eat like the whole block by herself. So we like to go to our local store to their cheese counter where they have all of the like fancy cheeses that come in those big huge wheels that are this big, and then they cut off little pieces for you, and then they always have samples. We like to go and taste and figure out which ones we like the best.
We love cheese.
Oh my gosh, it's one of our favorite pastimes. Let us know also if you participate in that pastime where you go to the cheese counter and find a delicious cheese to bring home and taste.
Yeah.
With the whole family gathered round. We really like that.
We really do.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Feel free to share this video with all of your friends or just one of your friends. Either way, we'll be happy.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.